Back again. I'm going to do a little unboxing for you, and it's going to be of a a generator plug that I'm going to put on the outside of the house. I'm going to unbox that. Currently, I have a 30 amp feed for my generator, and that it goes into this brand new panel that I have. Okay, brand new panel. And right now that is fed through a transfer switch, not an automatic transfer switch, but a transfer switch out to a feed on the side of the house that I'll plug the generator into. However, I have a 12,000 watt generator, and running a 30 amp feed like that, I can only supply 7,000 watts to the house, spread across 10 different circuits. As you can tell here, those are all spread across different circuits. Now my point is, what I have here is I've actually have an extra 50 amp feed that used to be for a hot tub that I gave to my daughter. I know, thank you everybody. And this 50 amp feed, I put a generator interlock kit on here that you'll see in another video that I have. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wire from that, which is up here somewhere. It's it's probably that black wire that's really up at the top. I'm going to take that. That's probably about 100 feet long right now. I'm going to take it out, pull it back. I'm going to run it down halfway through the house near the generator, so that I'll only need to probably use a 15-foot 50 amp generator cord. But enough for that. Let's go do the unboxing and take a look at what's going on. I'll take you upstairs. This will be simple, easy, and quick, other than my babbling. Kind of gloomy out here in the New England area today. I hope your day is going pretty good. Are the lights on? And I'll put a link to in the description of this video as far as what exactly I'm showing you. What I bought is a 50 amp 50. Let me just put this over here. A little tripod that I have. I bought a 50 amp generator box. It's called a power inlet box. And this is made by Tooliom. It's a power inlet box for generator cord, 50 amp. You can see it right on there. And it is a SS2-50P. That's the type of plug that's going to go into it. And the reason I bought this is because it was a box on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description of the video. And it really looks nice. And the really thing I liked about it, a couple of things I'll show you, is that when it is on and being used, this green light, when it has power to it, this green light will be on, so you can find out where it is on the side of your house if it's pitch black out, which you should know where it is anyway. And this is the special plug inside for the 50 amp plug. Now what you have is you have a ground, I believe this is a ground over here. Then you have two hot legs, and you're going to have a neutral. But the reason I bought this box, and then it kind of screws on, once you plug it in. The reason I bought this box was because it's extra deep. Now if you ever worked with a 6-gauge wire, which I think is a 50 amp wire, you know that's really hard to bend, and you don't get a lot of room. So in this particular box, they have what they call a threadless knockout, and it's these little plugs here, and they're rubber, which is pretty nice. So you would slice the plug. In my case, I'm going to use the one in the back. I'm going to feed it from the back. You'd make a slice in that. You feed your wire right through it, and then it's pretty much watertight from that point on. So anyway, this is it again. Tooliom power inlet box, and I had some good reviews on Amazon. It has outlet in the bottom, an outlet on both sides, and an outlet in the back. And like a lot of other boxes out there that are less expensive, and this wasn't the most expensive by any means. I thought it was reasonable for what I was getting with it, and there was a coupon with it, maybe like 8% off right now. And in this case, you don't have to use a screwdriver to knock things out or dent the box or, you know, try to pry things and then put a wire connector on it. You just push your cable right through there, and life's going to be happy and good. So again, It's the Tooliom, Tooliom, 50 amp power inlet box with a SS250P connector on it. Thanks for watching the video. If you need one, buy one from the link in the description off of Amazon. I appreciate your time looking at my videos. If you want to like and subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And hello everybody out there, and wish you have a great day. Bye-bye.